2022 Ford Bronco two-door hardtop Badlands, 17,000 miles. Hi everyone, my name is Carter and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. What a beautiful cyber orange Bronco. This thing is so cool. The color flops from kind of an orange to a gold to even some green highlight in it. It is really a cool color. On 35s, VTX wheels, custom front bumper. It is the Badlands. If you're familiar with Wranglers, this is like a little more hardcore Rubicon. This is the rock crawler in the Broncos. You got the Wild Track, which is more of a sand dune racer, and you got the Raptor, which is like your really hardcore sand dune racer. Tow package, luxury package, high package, heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, all the goodies. 17,000 miles, one owner, factory warranty, independently inspected, clear Carfax, navigation, the big screen, the heated seats, the leather with the extra stitch or the custom stitching, insulated liner, you name it, tow package. Talk about that factory warranty. You can extend that very reasonably in our finance office. Speaking of finance, get pre-approved at the AutoramaAuto.com. We'll have you in and out under 20 minutes when you're pre-approved. No reason to be here all day. Seriously, get you pre-approved. You come in, you test drive it, you like it, you love it, you want to leave with it, 20 minutes, you're gone. We do not keep you all day. The other thing is I know you're going to find similar Broncos priced less. Why? Because there's a lot of dealers advertising their vehicles at cost or below, and then they hit you with the hidden fees once they got you in the door. They won't tell you about them. Not us. Price you see is price you pay. Drive it away. That's right. Price you see is price you pay. We have honest pricing. We don't have the lowest pricing. We have honest pricing. Price you see is price you pay. Drive it away. We do have a $145 doc fee, but guess what? This is your video coupon. Corey, our finance guy. Please give them a free documentation fee. That's right, free doc fee with presentation of this video. You have to show them the video to get it. But yeah, so let's recap. 2022, 17,000 miles, one owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, factory warranty, hardtop, Badlands, high package, navigation, the heated seats, the tow package, 35s. Man, come and join us. The fast financing, the no hidden fees, drive it away prices. That's the Autorama advantage. Come and join us.